Okay mga guys, so meron tayong ano dito no. Ire-reaction no. Itong ano yung sagot ni PBBM mo doon sa gentleman's agreement to. So meron ditong balita sa ano sa News 5. Okay. So ito ang sagot ni ano no ni PBBM sa tungkol sa gentleman's agreement no. So, okay, pakita na natin ah.
Well, it turns out we don't know. It is a secret agreement. We don't know anything about it. There is no documentation. There is no record. There is no. We were not briefed when I came into office. Walang nagsabi sa amin na merong ganung usapan. So we were trying to really up to now because from the former administration iba-ibang sagot eh. Sabi ng isang opisyal na dating government official under the previous administration, there's no such agreement. Sabi naman ng isa, no, there is, and we should honor it. Sabi naman ng iba, maganda yan. Sabi ng iba, hindi maganda yan. Hindi pa namin alam kung ano ba talaga yung agreement na yan. But kung ay ang sinasabi sa agreement na yan na kailangan tayong permiso sa ibang bansa para gumalaw sa ating sariling teritoryo, ay mahirap siguro sundan yung kanyang klaseng agreement. I am horrified by the idea that we have compromised through a secret agreement the territory, the sovereignty, and the sovereign rights of the Philippines. That is something. We still have to clear it up. We are waiting for Ambassador Wang to come back from Beijing, Malaysia, and I asked to see him.
Iyon.
Na. At ipaliwanag niya, sino bang kausap mo? Sino ba talagang kausap mo? Anong pinag-usapan ninyo? Anong pinag-agrihan ninyo? Was this an official thing or was it a personal thing? Ano ba ito? Dahil wala kaming record. Kahit saan ka tumingin, walang record. So, sikretong ginawa lahat ito.
Secret agreement.
Kung gagawin man nila, ba't pa nila ginawang sikreto? Nakakapagtaka nga. Kaya it's not a good situation.
Sir, do you plan to talk to former President Duterte about it?
We are talking to his former officials. Maybe not the President himself, but all his former officials. Tinatanong namin, ano ba yan? Ipaliwanag niyo naman sa amin para alam namin yung ginagawa namin. And we still haven't gotten a straight answer. Alright?
Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
Ayan ha, tingnan na naman ha, yung sagot ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa tungkol sa gentleman's agreement ha. So walang kaalam-alam ang gobyerno ni PBBM sa mga ganyan na secret agreement na yan no. So talagang horrified para sa kanya. Tsaka kung ano man mga agreement daw yon na pinagkasunduan nila Duterte at ni Xi Jinping, talagang hindi niya susundin yun. Hindi na susundin yung ganon. So napakagaling talaga ni Pangulong PBBM nyo. Hindi niya talaga susundin yun kasi secret agreement yun eh. So ba't hindi man lamang wala man lamang kasulatan kung ano-ano. So ibig sabihin, may sikreto talaga dun sa agreement na yon. So kaya nga kailangan makausap ni PBBM yung mga opisyal ng China kung sino talaga ang nagsabing presidente. So doon na magkakaalaman no. Doon na magkakaalaman kung sino ang presidenteng nangako o nakipag-secret secret agenda sa kanila. So okay, abangan natin 'yon mga guys So okay. So dito na lang to. Ito reaction lang to. Pwede rin kayo mag-reaction diyan, mag-comments diyan tungkol sa gentleman's agreement nila Duterte at saka dating Presidente Duterte at saka ni Xi Jinping. Okay? So okay na, kung bago ka pa lang sa akin channel please like and subscribe na lang sa ating YouTube channel para maikalat pa ni YouTube ang ating video. Okay?